Sexy. Say out. There you have it. There you have it. Sikon, slowly, pwede natin buksan yung ating buttons. Tinuruan mo yun. Alright, Luhod. Kaya ba? Kaya, sir? Okay lang kasi kaya. Ma'am, pakigayin na lang si sir para hindi po kayo masilipan. And of course, hindi po kamay yung gagamitin ni Sir Jerwin. Sir Jerwin, hindi po kamay yung gagamitin mo, kundi bibig. Okay? So, bibig. Okay, bibig. Sir Jerwin, kaya ba? Kaya ko. Ma'am Jolene, pakigayin na lang po, baka masilipan kayo. Alright. Para mas-sense down. And mas memorable. Nakuha na ba? Gently, sir, ha? Huwag mong rewind, sir, ma'am. Alright, thank you so much! Palakpakan natin si Sir Jerwin. Successful yung kanyang pagkuha ng garter. And this time, hahanap tayo ng bibigyan niya. No? Okay, so may request?